goofball. Did we pass them already?
I think they're behind this sand hill. Maybe you'll catch them again on the other side. Yeah, you can see them. There's one. Yeah. Keep watching that way.
Did we pass them? Oh, they're right there. Cool.
What a
Just view
fly.
in general.
Yeah. This phone's not good. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
It's nice.
We're gonna see some more.
That's so
So
Yeah.
pretty. Hang on, Alex. I'm filming.
I see really big waves.
Look at this.
It'd be so fun to crash.
Look at
into.
it's all sand. Oh my gosh. Wow. The waves.
Those look so fun to crash into.
Well, it
I'm
might
so
be too
excited.
deep
Oh.
out because look at how far they are. Oh my gosh.
Those are like surfing level waves, I think.
Yeah.
Surfing looks fun, but I know I would fall off before I could even stand up.
Me
Those
too.
waves would be fun.
They look really far out though, like for a person to walk out to them.
Don't have a Cadillac this weekend. You are grounded to your room. Take in a Plygon. Make up your own.
Stop talking about Plygon.
Why?
That's annoying.